Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader.
Hello! Hi, Max. What are you doing?
Hi.
What are you doing in there? What is he doing? Hey, cat got your tongue? What are you doing? Playing with kinetic sand?
No.
You said no. But he is playing with kinetic sand.
I'm digging.
Oh, he's digging? That's great. Can I help you?
Yeah.
Ooh, seashells. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seashells. Hey, Yellow Bear. What? Do you know a tongue twister about seashells? Tongue what? Tongue twister. Max, do you know what a tongue twister is?
Yeah.
Okay, listen. She sells seashells at the seashore. The shells that she sells are seashells, I'm sure. That's funny. Let me try. She shells. She help me, Max. What does she do? She sells seashells. See? Seashells. Okay, she sells seashells. Very good, Yellow Bear. Max, can you help?
On the seashore.
On the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. The shells that she sells are seashells, I'm sure. Oh, that's difficult. Max, can you say the whole thing? She sells
On the seashore.
Let's try it again together. She sells seashells on the seashore. And the shells that she sells are seashells, I'm sure. Okay, can I see your seashells? Can I dig this one out? Max, help me. Whoa, ooh. Look at this one. Isn't it pretty? Ooh. Max, you had 5 seashells and I took 1 away. How many seashells are left? I'm learning math.
4.
Wow, he's quick. So 5, take away 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. 5 minus 1 is 4. You guys are smart. Max, yes you are.
Yes.
Yes, you are. Are you busy? Hey, where's Yellow Bear? Where did he go? Practicing the tongue twist? Hey, Max, can you give me one more seashell? She sells seashells at the seashore.
Sure.
I can do it. Can you give me one more?
Take.
I can't. Help me.
You have to reach.
Reach. I have to reach. Which one can I take? Can I dig this one out? Hey, can you show me your kinetic sand? What does it do? Show me. Oh, I like to feel it. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh. Okay, I have to. Please help me, Max. I can't. Oh, there. Whew. I have such pretty shells. How many do I have?
2.
That's right. And how many are left?
3.
3. So 2 plus 3 equals what?
5.
5. That's right. I'm learning math. I'm good at it. I'm so happy. Max, thank you for helping me learn math. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. Yay! 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Wow, we're smart. He sells seashells. Oh no, he, We need shells, she. Okay, I see. She sells seashells at the seashore. The shells that she sells are seashells, I'm sure. Yeah, I did it. Max, can you give me 3 shells, please? You have 5. You have a lot. Give me 3 shells. All right, Max had 5 shells, and he gave me 3 See, I have 3 shells. How many does Max have now? 5 minus 3 is... Help me, Max. 5 minus 3 is...
5.
What? 5.
6.
What? 5? Look, you had 5 together. 5 minus 3. I have 3. R is... How many do you have? How many are left in the sand? How many?
2.
2. So 5 minus 3 is...
2.
2. Okay, 5 minus 3 is... Say it again,
2.
Max. 2, that's right. Look, if you have 2 shells and I'm giving you 1 shell, how many do you have now?
3.
2 plus 1 is 3. If you have 3 shells and I'm giving you 1 more. Whoa. How many shells do you have now? 3 plus 1 is... Quickly, Max, quickly.
4.
4. So you have 4 shells. I'm giving you 1 more. Here. How many shells do you have now?
5.
5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Wow. Whew, I'm tired. Let's play. What shall we do? Oh, look, there's another pretty shell right there. Can you open it? Is there anything inside? What's inside? Oh, nothing. Can you hide 1 shell in there? There will be 1 shell hiding in there. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Can I hold it? She sells seashells at the seashore, or on the seashore. The shells that she sells are seashells, I'm sure. Thank you for teaching me this tongue twister. I love it. Can you say it? Very good. Bye, Max. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.